The V-TUF V5, a tough DIY pressure washer, bringing professionalism to your home. It comes fully equipped with durable accessories, including a stainless steel lance, a snow foam cannon, an 8-meter high visibility hose, and 5 quick-release nozzles. The adjustable handle makes it easy to move and store wherever the job takes you. With an onboard 1-litre chemical tank, detergent-based cleaning is built in, ideal for breaking down grease, oils or traffic film with no extra setup. Powered by a 2100-watt brushless motor, the V5 delivers 40% longer life than the industry standard for normal domestic pressure washers. Rugged, reliable performance that lasts. From ground in dirt to thick debris and algae, the V5 blasts away grime with ease, giving you a fast, thorough clean across patios, stonework and more, without the struggle. Need power? The V5 pushes out up to 2400 psi and 165 bar working pressure, engineered for results. Tackle patios, driveways and decking with ease. No grime too tough, no surface too stubborn. When it comes to car care, the snow foam applicator delivers thick, even coverage for vehicles, bikes and caravans, providing effortless cleaning with minimal effort. Pair that with the integrated chemical tank and pro accessories and you've got full control for detailing, maintenance and heavy-duty jobs. The V-TUF V5 delivers true professional-grade cleaning power right from your own home. Tough for trade, made for home. The V-TUF V5.